Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz Installation Guide. Welcome to the Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz Installation Guide. Follow these steps to install your software and get started quickly and smoothly. Step 1. Downloading the software. Once you've purchased the software, you will receive an email confirmation containing the download links for the program and its components. Alternatively, you can log into the My Account area on orgonegenerators.com to access your downloads. If you didn't set up a password during your purchase, use the Forgot Password option to create one. Ensure you log in with the email address used for the purchase. Step 2. Downloading files. Download all 4 essential files. 1. Chi transfer card. 2. Fire Toolz templates. 3. Radionics filters research. 4. Set up Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz. This contains the installer. Save all files to your hard drive. Step 3. Extracting files. The downloaded files will be in a zip format. To avoid issues during installation, it's crucial to extract these files. Right-click each file and select Extract All from the menu. Pay particular attention to extracting the installer from the Setup Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz zip file. Step 4. Preparing for installation. Before installation, it is recommended to temporarily deactivate any antivirus software. Antivirus programs like Trend Micro, Norton, or Bitdefender may incorrectly flag the installer as a false positive. After disabling your antivirus, ensure that you create an exception for the installer, executable, and post-installation for the Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz folder located in your Documents folder. Step 5. Installing the software. Run the extracted setup installer. During installation, choose the option to create a desktop shortcut for easy access. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Important note: do not delete the folder named Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz in your Documents directory once installed. This folder contains essential files required for the software to run. Step 6. Activating the software. After installation, you'll find an icon with a hand holding a flame on your desktop. Double-click it to launch the program. On the first launch, the software will prompt you to activate it. Copy the computer ID generated by the program using CTRL+C. Do not write it manually to avoid errors. Email this ID along with your full name and order number to info@orgonegenerators.com. You will receive an activation license code via email. Check your spam folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Activation may take a few hours to up to 2 days. Step 7. Using the software. Once activated, you're ready to use the Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz software. To load templates, use the Load button within the program. Double-clicking templates from the File Explorer will result in errors. Explore the features and personalize templates as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and activated your Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz software. If you encounter any issues, reach out to our support team at info@orgonegenerators.com. Thank you for choosing Quantum Radionics Fire Toolz. Enjoy manifesting your goals with our advanced radionics software. For more tutorials and tips, visit orgonegenerators.com.